Introduction. YouTube has become a dominant platform for video sharing and has over 2 billion active users, making it an excellent platform for businesses, individuals, and content creators to promote their brand and increase visibility. However, gaining subscribers on YouTube is not always an easy task, and it requires dedication, hard work, and a sound strategy. In this essay, we will explore various ways to get more subscribers on YouTube. 1. Create high-quality content. The first step to getting more subscribers on YouTube is to create high-quality content. Your videos should be engaging, informative, and relevant to your target audience. Before you create any content, research what your target audience is interested in and what they are searching for. This will help you create content that will appeal to them and keep them engaged. 2. Optimize your YouTube channel. Optimizing your YouTube channel is an essential step in gaining more subscribers. Start by creating a clear and concise channel description that accurately describes your channel's content. Use relevant keywords in your channel description to help your channel appear in search results. 3. Use keywords and tags. Keywords and tags are essential for increasing visibility on YouTube. When uploading a video, use relevant keywords and tags that accurately describe your video's content. This will help your videos appear in search results and recommended videos. 4. Promote your videos on social media. Social media is an excellent tool for promoting your YouTube channel and videos. Share your videos on your social media channels and encourage your followers to subscribe to your channel. 5. Collaborate with other YouTubers. Collaborating with other YouTubers is an excellent way to gain more subscribers. Find YouTubers in your niche or industry and collaborate with them on a video or series of videos. This will help you tap into their audience and gain more exposure for your channel. 6. Engage with your audience. Engaging with your audience is essential for building a loyal fan base and gaining more subscribers. Respond to comments on your videos, create polls, and ask your audience for feedback. This will help you build a relationship with your audience and encourage them to subscribe to your channel. 7. Consistency is key. Consistency is key when it comes to gaining subscribers on YouTube. Create a consistent schedule for uploading videos and stick to it. This will help your audience know when to expect new content and will encourage them to subscribe to your channel. Conclusion. In conclusion, gaining subscribers on YouTube requires dedication, hard work, and a sound strategy. Start by creating high-quality content that is relevant to your target audience. Optimize your YouTube channel, use keywords and tags, and promote your videos on social media. Collaborate with other YouTubers, engage with your audience, and be consistent with your content. By following these tips, you can gain more subscribers on YouTube and increase your visibility on the platform.